With so many different project management tools out there, it's critical to have software that works with a variety of file types. That's why ProjectManager lets you import projects from outside our software in formats such as MPP, Excel, and CSV. This video will show you step-by-step how to use our import feature so you can turn static files into dynamic online projects. To get started, there are 3 ways to import a project depending on where you are in the software. Import from anywhere by clicking the plus button and selecting Import. Import within the Gantt by clicking the Import icon. And finally, import from the pop-up as you're creating a new project. From here, the process differs slightly depending on what file format you're using, so we'll run through those separately. For Excel and CSV formats, select Import and upload your file. For Excel and CSV files, be sure your file is in the correct format by referring to the import guidelines. Next, you'll see the option to import into a new or existing project. If you select Existing, choose the project to import into from the drop-down menu. When importing into an existing project, selecting Replace will remove all of your existing data. If you select New Project, give your new project a name. You will now map your columns to the columns available in the Gantt view. To import a file, all you really need is a task list, but including due dates and durations will populate your Gantt chart more effectively. If planned start and finish dates are not imported, the software will default to today's date with a 1-day duration. Click Import to finish the process. The process for MPP and XML formats is similar, and any version of Microsoft project files from 2013 to 2019 will be compatible with ProjectManager. This allows for a seamless, easy transition across platforms that can be done in just a few clicks. With MPP and XML files, go through the process just as you would before with Excel and CSV formats. You'll come to the option to import the task list only or all data, which includes tasks, assignees, dependencies, and associated planned task data. Once you click Next, you'll get a message that your project imported successfully. Being able to import projects from multiple tools can streamline your project management process, as well as keep teams connected by making project plans accessible to everyone.